Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Chase to another bank. The first thing you need to do is open the Chase app and log in. Once you've done that, you'll see this menu. In this menu, as you can see, at the bottom left, we are in the Accounts section, which is the blue section at the bottom left. But what we're interested in is the Pay and Transfer section. So, tap on that section, and this panel will open. In this panel, you'll see several options, and you should select the option that says Transfer. Once you're in Transfer, a menu will expand at the bottom, and you need to tap on Account Transfers. Inside Account Transfers, you'll see several options. What we're interested in for sending money from Chase to another bank is the Transfer to option. Here's where you'll enter the information for the other bank. You'll need to enter the amount of money you want to transfer, but first, tap on Transfer to. You'll see several options. If your bank isn't listed, scroll down to the bottom and select the blue button that says Add an external account. This is the option we want. Once you select it, you'll see a list of banks to which you can send money from Chase. If your bank isn't listed, select Add Account manually at the bottom of the page. Here, you'll need to enter your bank's details, which you can find by logging into your bank's app and looking under Card Settings or View Card Numbers. You'll find the routing number, account number, and other relevant information there. After entering all this information, click Next. You'll be asked for additional information, such as the bank name and other details. After entering all the information, click Next again. You'll have entered all your bank's information by now. Just confirm that everything is correct and click Next. You'll be asked to confirm and we'll see the transfer details. If everything looks good, confirm, and you'll have successfully transferred money from Chase to another bank without any issues.